Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 10th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 4 hour time frame to start with. So on the 4 hour time frame, I still think there's a chance this could turn into a 3-3 pattern. We got three waves down for the first ABC, and now we're potentially in the second ABC, so another three waves up. Now, we did make a pretty good bounce right here at this resistance area, as you can see, but we don't have a breaker structure down yet, and we don't have a significant lower high yet. So we can't say for sure that the wave C is over. It does look like it could possibly end here, but we cannot assume that it's going to end here. Assuming anything is what gets you in trouble in these markets, because it definitely could push up to the 78% before it decides to end up going down in a much bigger way. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we don't have a breaker structure. This is our breaker structure level. We don't have a significant lower high, like a nice little ABC pullback, something like this, telling us that this move up is a pullback to this move down yet. But it definitely looks like, looking at the dollar index, that it could end up doing this. So if we see a corrective pattern to the upside, if we see a lower high, maybe a nice Fibonacci bounce from this move down, then it could definitely end up producing a short. Just like I said, be careful because then once we start assuming things are over, that's when we usually start losing trades. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.